Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Definitely be aware of the untreated road surfaces out there this morning, as Gordon just noted, especially the side streets, back roads. You'll have to watch out for those areas. As we turn to Fort Worth Doppler, well, it looks like most of the precipitation that I've been tracking so far this morning is settling to the south now across the higher terrain of southern Erie County, the southern tier, into sections of Wyoming County. Now, our radar is colorizing this precipitation mainly as snow now, and that should be the case. However, there still might be a few patches of freezing drizzle embedded within this area, so be aware of that. As we take a look at the airport observations now in the last hour, they were still reporting a bit of a wintry mix at Niagara Falls. That has ended. The light snow has ended at the Buffalo Airport, so you can see that conditions are kind of improving a little bit maybe across northern sections. Definitely more in the way of that light snow. Still coming down to the south, though. The -SN, the abbreviation down here, is light snow down at Dunkirk, also at Bradford, Wellsville, over to Dansville and Rochester. A little bit of light fog in the mix down there along the PA line, too. Let's check out your weather for today around the city of Buffalo and surrounding suburbs. Yeah, there might be a snowflake or two coming down during the morning commute, but for the most part, we're just looking at cloudy skies out there. 25 degrees at noontime, 27. And actually, as we get into the afternoon, it should become mainly dry and maybe even a few breaks in the cloud cover. 29 degrees at 5 p.m. Checking it out on Super Microcast, you can see the area of precipitation shrinking across the area today. Down here across the higher terrain, still maybe a few flakes coming down across this area, but this is not going to add up to much today. Any leftover light snow showers will wind down this evening across the ski country. And then by tomorrow, we're looking at clouds giving way to some partial sun. A very similar type setup as to what we had around here back on Tuesday. We had those clouds around during the morning hours, and the sun broke out in the afternoon. Looks like it's going to happen for Christmas Eve day. Great day for getting around town and also traveling regionally. No major weather hassles to contend with. But as we get into later Christmas Eve night, clouds will start to move in from the west and the southwest again. And for Christmas Day, it's just going to be mostly cloudy across the area and mainly dry. There might be a snow flurry. There's going to be a greater chance of some snow showers developing, though, as we get into Christmas night, Saturday night, and into Sunday. And the winds start to whip up a little bit, too, toward the tail end of the weekend. Well, I broad brushed everything here with a chance of some light snow or some patchy freezing drizzle this morning, but it looks like that activity is kind of winding down on the northern highways now, so things may be improving up in that direction. Definitely watch out, though, on the I-86 and especially the Thruway West. 27 degrees at the Falls right now, 26 here in Buffalo, 21 down at Wellsville and Bradford. Take the wind into account. A bit of a wind chill in Buffalo at 17 and 7 degrees right now. The wind chill at Wellsville and also at Bradford. As your forecast details for this Thursday, mostly cloudy skies shaping up today. A little bit of patchy freezing drizzle can't be ruled out at least early this morning, with a few scattered light snow showers mainly in the ski country for the rest of the day. High temps 25 to 30 degrees. Any leftover snow showers wind down in the hills this evening. Mostly cloudy overnight, 17 to 23. Tomorrow, clouds giving way to some partial sun as we get into the afternoon, 25 to 30 degrees. And for Christmas Day, just mostly cloudy. That's it. Maybe a flurry. Scattered snow showers will develop at night and continue into Sunday. The winds also increase toward the tail end of the weekend on Sunday, and a temp of 20 degrees.